Hi, my name is Sophia, and today I'm super excited to tell you all about my vacation. Last summer, my family and I went on a trip to the mountains, and it was one of the best vacations ever. We stayed in a cozy wooden cabin surrounded by tall trees, fresh air, and the sounds of birds singing. Every morning, we woke up early to see the sunrise. It was so pretty with orange and pink colors in the sky. After breakfast, we went hiking on the trails. I wore my favorite backpack, and we saw squirrels, butterflies, and even a deer. We also had fun picking wildflowers and taking lots of pictures. One day, we found a small lake with clear, cool water, and I dipped my feet in. It was freezing but fun. My little brother tried to skip rocks on the water, but they kept going plop. Giggles. At night, we sat around a campfire, roasted marshmallows, and told stories while looking at the stars. The stars were so bright, more than I've ever seen before. During the trip, we also visited a farm nearby where I got to feed goats and ride a pony. That was my favorite part because I love animals so much. The farmer showed us how to milk a cow, and I even tried it myself. It was so funny and a little bit tricky. We also tasted fresh milk and homemade cheese, and they were delicious. Every day on our vacation was filled with fun, laughter, and lots of new things to learn and see. I felt really happy and peaceful the whole time because we were far away from the busy city. Spending time with my family in nature made me feel thankful and excited, but I brought back so many wonderful memories and pictures to keep. I even made a scrapbook with drawings and stickers to remember everything we did. Now, whenever I look at it, I smile and think of how amazing that trip was. I hope we can go on another vacation like that again soon. What about you? Where did you go on your vacation?